as Holden's working the back and forth here. Now a big head-on collision there with Big Stack Cam and Holden. Dawson's trying to build up speed here. He's going to go around Cam. A little greasy on the track, hit for the Powerwheels. Dawson looking for a big run. He jumps it forward. Big hit there in the middle. Holden's got a lot of power with that stock Powerwheel. You can see the wheels really turning. Normal little plastic gears grinding, that's going to happen in here in Grantsburg. Holden with another hit, gets Dodson out of the way. Dodson trying to throw Holden up against the north wall, but Holden definitely's got speed. He's just going to go anywhere he can in reverse. Now he dumps her going forward. Always caught up on a slick spot there. It's him and Dodson. Head on right there. Holden back up and give her another one. He don't care. He's going to give it to him right now. Big tires are not Dodson. He don't care. Holden's got little tires. It's working great out here for him on the track tonight. Tall stack Cam. He seems to be out right now. Electrical problem here. Grinding on each other. It's just Holden and Cameron here right now. Oh, and the tall stacks. He comes to life here. It's like them old wrestlers. It's like them old wrestlers. After they raise their hand and fall down, absolutely. Holden looking for another big hit on Cam. He gives it to him. Yeah, he's pumped. Might have given the finger on the north end. I'm not sure. I could not see it from here. I could not see it from here. Hopefully he did it. Yes, locked up tight, just thrown in reverse. Gonna have to break him loose there. Yes, that's a big part of the Powerwheel. The judges can't grab it and throw it apart. They're road free. You can still hear the plastic gears grinding. Now Holden's giving some sort of signal to Dawson there. Maybe it was the bubble, we're not sure. Holden's busting loose. He's picking up speed here. Oh, he's in a fresh greasy spot here. Working in the he's stuck way to the west of everyone else. Meanwhile, Dawson and Cam are just kind of wondering what the hell Holden's doing over there. Up against him loose, he's going to pick up speed. No, he's whipping the shit from his out there. That's what's going on. That's what Holden wanted to do this whole time. Little tire cleaning going on here. Courtesy of Roto, we appreciate that for all your services on our Powerwheel track.
Yeah,
Spin it different route.
Yeah, we'll just be around this ones and two.
Now Dawson's trying to get the big monster truck going. Holden's just working him back and forth here. Standard stock. He's got a sticker on there. He hasn't had a braking yet. Dawson's trying to get that baby going as Cam and Holden are working on each other here right now.
I hope so.
Yeah. I know. It's pretty cool.
Holden's getting himself another run. He's just working on Cam there. Yeah, he's calling for cover. Holden is calling for somebody to come over and bust him loose. I think that was the signal he was looking for. He gave the crowd a thumbs up and then waved him all over. Right out of the gate, he just loves watching the tires spin. Cam's doing it.